Greg Doig here with some Tech Brewed cybersecurity news for you this Tuesday, March 28, 2023. Microsoft has released an emergency security update for Windows 10 and 11 to fix a bug in its snipping tool utility. It's being called Acropolis, which cropped data from images but did not remove them correctly from the original file. The flaw was first discovered in Google's Pixel Markup tool. Microsoft has urged users to install the update as soon as possible to avoid the vulnerability, which security researchers say affects more than 4,000 images hosted on VirusTotal. The bug was classified as a low security risk by Microsoft as it requires interaction from the user and several outside factors to exploit. Apple has issued an urgent security update for older iPhone and iPad models to fix an actively exploited security flaw. The issue concerns a type confusion bug in the WebKit browser engine that could lead to arbitrary code execution. The update is available in versions iOS 15.7.4 and iPadOS 15.7.4 and applies to iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, iPhone SE first generation, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4th generation, and iPod Touch 7th generation. The disclosure comes as Apple rolled out iOS 16.4, iPadOS 16.4, macOS Ventura 13.3, macOS Monterey 12.6.4, macOS Big Sur 11.7.5, tvOS 16.4, and watchOS 9.4, with numerous bug fixes. And coming up last but not least, OpenAI has confirmed a data breach of its ChatGPT chatbot caused by a bug in an open source library. The bug was introduced by OpenAI on March 20th and affected the Redis-py, a Redis client library serving as a Python interface. The flaw resulted in users being able to see chat data belonging to others. Payment-related information belonging to 1.2% of ChatGPT Plus subscribers was also exposed, including first and last names, email addresses, payment addresses, and the last 4 digits of card numbers. OpenAI has confirmed that the information was exposed during a 9-hour window on March 20th. So as always, make sure you check for updates on every operating system on every device you have.